Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale content marketing with Buffer easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your content marketing with Buffer, start by signing up for an account on the Buffer website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the publishing, analytics, and engagement tabs. Begin by connecting your social media accounts to Buffer. Click on the settings icon and select Social Accounts. Choose the platforms you want to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your accounts. Next, create a content calendar to plan your posts. Go to the Content tab and click on Publishing. Use the calendar view to visualize scheduled content. Start adding posts by clicking on the empty slots in your calendar. You can either write new posts or add existing content from your blog or website. Consider using Buffer's Chrome extension to quickly share articles or images while browsing. Once you create a post, customize the text for each social media platform, since each has its own best practices. Now, set a posting schedule that aligns with your audience's peak engagement times. Buffer allows you to customize your schedule for each social media account. Review your analytics under the Analytics tab to understand which posts resonate best with your audience. Use this data to refine your content strategy and improve future posts. Consider utilizing Buffer's publishing features, such as bulk uploading posts via CSV files for efficiency. Monitor your social media engagement through Buffer's engagement tools. Respond to comments and messages directly within the Buffer dashboard to maintain engagement. Regularly assess your performance metrics to ensure your content marketing strategy is on track. Adapt your approach based on the insights gained, focusing only on content that drives results. By following these steps, you can efficiently scale your content marketing efforts using Buffer's powerful tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.